Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Susie. So today what we have is a 12 by 12 round canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby. And the base is a mixture of paint that I've scraped up from the table and put through a strainer and reusing it for the base, for the puddle pour. I have a few different colors that are being used today. Cobalt blue, blue-green, turquoise blue, and Abalone by TLP, this little piggy, which you can purchase from Fluid Art. And the pearl medium is made up of Vallejo, pearl medium, and floetrol. The paints are pretty thin, but it's like not super thin. I have it like a puddle upon a puddle, a dribble upon a dribble when you test it from the cup. And so I'm pouring it out now. I'm going to speed this part up for you. I love the colors in this one, and I love how it turned out. And thank you for watching. See you next time.